So it's all good, except for something just happened right now. No f***ing way. Yeah, go for it. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Each Adventure channel. My name is Josh, and today, as you can see, we're in a bit of a traffic jam here. It's like everybody had the same idea as we did today, to come out and enjoy the trails. So we're out here today riding the trails. So I'm out here with my buddy Matt. He's riding his CRF 450X, and I'm out here on the TTR230 today. I was supposed to be riding that 450, and Matt was supposed to be riding his KDX, but then we realized, or he realized this morning, that KDX had a flat front tire. And so I put the 230 together this morning. 230 last time we took it out had a dead battery, which caused us all sorts of problems. So it's all good, except for something just happened right now. No f***ing way. Yeah.
Long day's over.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
I thought the chain snapped.
Here, you want to push your bike into this little offshoot right here? Where? Right behind my bike? Sure.
I was just talking about on the video too how last time out we had a problem with the TTR.
Oh, no, it broke. Oh, no, you broke the splines.
Yeah.
Oh. Motor tear down. You can't replace that without splitting the cases.
Yeah. Joke's on me today.
Ha 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 ha. KTM tears of joy.
It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. We have a broken countershaft sprocket piece. What do you call that?
Countershaft sprocket.
Yeah, so the countershaft, the splines are broken off. So we're gonna jerry rig something up right now.
If we can get to the truck, it'll be a good day.
I think we're gonna go 2 feet and it's gonna fall off. Alright, here's the jerry rigging. We got some safety wire and
Why you bring tools, boys and girls?
a lot of luck. Alright, we'll see if we can make it.
You want me to go up and make sure it's attractive?
No, it's okay. I'll be alright. Alright, it's rolling. Alright, we just need to make it to the back of the car. Or back to the car. So, oh, this is ridiculous. So now I'm guessing I have to split the case in order to get this thing to work. Or in order to fix it. Because to take that whole shaft off and put a new one on. Alright, we're still moving. It's one thing that's nice about this bike though is as long as you have traction, it'll tractor up basically at near nothing speed. So that part's good. So we're 2 hills in. Can we make it? Yeah, so when I heard, you'll hear it on the video, but basically it felt like my chain snapped. That's what I thought happened. And then I looked down and I saw that I had a chain. I was like, well, it's not that. It's almost off again. Oh, man. No, let's see. Is it coming off?
Yeah. I say just roll with it till it falls off.
All right. Woo! Well, now we're just coasting. Well, the jerry rigging only worked so far. We got about 2/3 of the way. I'm just gonna try to coast the rest of the way across. All right. Well, this was an epic failure today. Oh. But we were just talking, at least it happened here and not farther up. We were gonna go all the way up to Arrowhead, up to Pinnacles, and now we're just struggling to get back down. We're just struggling up this last hill. Thanks again, man. Yeah, we're good. At least it's not super hot. Yep, so like I said, we're just gonna coast. Do some coasting. Gotta remember, I don't have any engine braking or any power to get myself out of this stuff, so. Alright, here we go. Down. Down, down we go. Hey oh, hey oh. There's like no sound. It sounds so weird. And there we go. Woo! Oh man. Well, since the spline is broken, there's not really a way to fix this thing without splitting the case, I guess. So that's gonna be fun. Be quite the maintenance task on that one. Look at these guys with their motors, making it look all easy. Bunch of punks. Just kidding, just kidding. Man, that's hard work. Go ahead. Yeah. Clever. Huh? I said clever.
Helping?
A little bit. Thanks. Okay, hold on.
Huh?
I need a break.
Okay.
It's downhill from there, but if you want to, go ahead. Oh. Well, guys, that's it. I'm beat. We're almost back at the truck, and this has been quite the misadventure. So we'll have to see what we're gonna do about the TTR, because it needs a major repair now. Yeah, but you know what? That's all part of riding dirt bikes. So rather be out here having a difficult time than being inside or basically doing pretty much anything else. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a like down below. If you're new here, please subscribe. We'd like to do adventures like this on a weekly basis, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. So until next time, guys, be sure to have fun, take care, and ride safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, now we're cruising. Till then, be sure to get out there and have adventures of your own. And I will see you guys next time. See, I hate this crap, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Later.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.